Soon AI will take your job. ये तो सबने सुना होगा. But did you know that there are a number of AI tools that you can use to make your college life easy? And also there are some tools that you can use to land a good internship. Yes, in this video I will talk about AI tools that you can use to enhance your college experience, tools to help you land an internship, and AI tools to assist you during your internship. So let's start by discussing how you can use AI tools to enhance your college experience. Now, as happy and fun college life may seem, the first thing you might struggle with in college is making notes. And अगर आपको भी last minute study preparation की आदत है, then instead of asking your friends for notes, then here are two AI tools that you can use to create your notes and eventually to prepare for your exams. The first is ChatPDF. ये एक ऐसा AI tool है that will help you summarize long PDFs for your last minute revision. In fact, ChatPDF can also briefly explain the topics from that PDF. अब notes तो बना लिए, but अब notes को याद करना भी एक struggle है. Then try Recall AI. This tool can make notes out of any YouTube video, podcast, PDF or article. And the best part about this app, Recall AI, is that it can also test your knowledge by asking you AI generated questions from the notes. तो इन AI के tools से अब ना notes बनाने की tension रहेगी और ना ही preparation की. Now another important thing for any college student is to have a professional photo with them. But कभी-कभी last minute photo ढूंढना can become a struggle, right? So don't worry because I have a solution for that as well. You can use AI tool like Remove BG, which can remove your entire background or magic eraser, which can help you remove any unwanted object you select in seconds. And with that, you can have a professional picture without people or objects in the background, and that too for free. अब कॉलेज के लास्ट ईयर में बहुत सारे कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स का ये क्वेश्चन होता है कि हमें रिसर्च पेपर लिखना है, बट समझ नहीं आ रहा होता कि where to begin. In this case, you can use Connected Papers, an AI research tool that finds research papers on various topics. So you can simply search your topic and find similar research papers to begin your research process. अब writing की बात हो ही रही है, then we cannot forget about this important AI tool. That is Grammarly. Grammarly is the best AI tool to check your grammatical errors, to improve your vocabulary, and to correct your punctuation. A very important part of your college journey is doing internship. And to get your dream internship, you need to have a good cover letter and resume. अब अगर resume बनाना नहीं आता तो क्या करें? For that you have ChatGPT. You just need to add your professional details with the prompt and ChatGPT will create a resume for you. And if you want more tips about resume building using ChatGPT, then watch this video. The link is in the description box. On the other hand, if you want a resume with a good template, then try Kick Resume, which is an amazing AI tool to get yourself a customized resume or cover letter in minutes. All you need to do is to add the necessary details and click generate, and your resume will be created. And if you are also confused about what information you need to add in your prompts, then this tip is for you. You can learn how to create best prompts by enrolling in Internshala short-term training course called Prompt Engineering for Generative AI. This course will help you gain the necessary skills to generate the best prompt, and you will also get industry recognized and government approved certification that will look great on your resume. And once you have your resume ready, do not wait. Visit Internshala and apply to internships and get your dream internship. So once you are able to find an internship opportunity you are interested in, you need to apply and start preparing for the interview. And to crack your interview, here are two skills you must have. First, a good communication skills, and second, knowledge about your field. Domain knowledge to degree or courses से आ ही जाएगी, but how will you gain communication skills? For that, you can use Poised, an AI communication coach. It will give you real-time feedback, which will help you speak confidently in your interview. So now let me talk about some AI tools that you can use during your internship. Now as an intern, one problem that you might face is making notes of the meetings. और अगर आपके साथ भी same problem है, then you can use Fireflies AI. This is an amazing tool for someone who wants to get a transcript of a meeting. Fireflies summarize meetings across various platforms like Google Meet, Teams, and Zoom. And at last, remember, AI isn't here to take your job. It is here to help you work smarter. So whether it is about creating notes, creating your resume, or preparing for an interview, these AI tools have got you covered. And if you found this video useful, then do not forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. All the best.